Covert monitoring solutions for home computers. What possibilities do you have? What software can you use if you want to monitor the computers at your home? Hi, my name is Angel from wolfi.de, and in this video I would like to give you right away the best solution that you can use in your home to monitor the computers. And actually I have written a whole article about this that also covers why you should do it, several solutions that you have that you can choose from. But in this short video I want to give you the conclusion, basically the answer to that question. And the answer to that question is install and select Wolfi Remote Screen. Wolfi Remote Screen. You can download it from our website here on wolfi.de. You see it here, wolfi.de. And basically what it does is Wolfi Remote Screen is a software. You install it on a target computer, and it will, the minute you install it, it will share the computer screen, basically comparable to AnyDesk or to TeamViewer. It will share it. So you will be able to see the live computer screen remotely without the user noticing anything of it. So it's a monitoring software that will show remotely the live screen. And you will be able to see the live screen through the browser. So you will, the software will generate a link through which the live computer screen will be shown to you. So that is why you will be able to see the live computer screen also using your smartphone. You have a browser on your smartphone and you can open the browser, open the link and see the live computer screen, or you can use any other remote computer, your personal computer, to see what is being done on that computer. How does it work? I will show it to you how it looks like. Basically here in this picture on our website on wolfi.de you see the control window of Wolfi, and I will show it to you in a minute. This is the software. You open it and the control window appears. And basically what you do is you hit the green button, it turns red. The minute it turns red, it shows you a link. You see this link? And on that link you open the link and will see the live computer screen. Also, because the link is very encrypted, you have this gray button that says email URL. You hit the button, can enter your email, and this encrypted link will be sent to your email address so that you can just click on the link and open it and will see it remotely, the live computer screen. And also, finally, you have this blue button that says hide and win startup. You hit it. The minute you hit it, it hides. It goes into stealth mode. The software, it runs in the background. The user notices nothing of the surveillance, and it will run in the background also whenever Windows is started. So Wolfi Remote Screen is a surveillance software basically, and that is why antivirus software will detect it. That is why you will have to do an antivirus exception for the folder in which you will download Wolfi and run Wolfi. And that is why you should, before you use Wolfi, go to our tutorial. We have here a tutorial. You go to tutorial and we have a whole tutorial here, even a 9-minute quick setup tutorial video that you should watch. And the reason you should watch it is especially because of that, because you have to do the correct antivirus exceptions for the software to run properly. If you need any help setting up the software, you can contact us, write us an email, or call us. You will find on our website wolfi.de our WhatsApp number or our phone number, or you can go here to demo and schedule a Google Meet demo session with us. You select the date and the time. And on that demo session, I will share my screen. I will show it to you live, and I can even help you set it up on your computer. So I hope this helps, and I'm happy if you contact us. Have a nice day.